If you've tried every trick in the book and trying to lose your hip and thigh fat, today is your lucky day, because I know what I bring to you has been tried and tested by not one but many. Today's video is a proof that if you do consistent exercises every single day, you're sure to see results, not just doing strenuous, difficult exercises which actually give you so much pain in the hip and thigh area that you end up giving up the exercise completely. No, that's not what these exercises bring to you. They bring to you easy, effective, simple moves which you can do on a daily basis and see phenomenal results. The best part about these exercises is that these are easy on the knees. They're designed specially for plus size people and they can be done in the comfort of your own home. They are completely beginner friendly. Before we move on further with these effective exercises, quickly comment below and tell me which part of the country are you watching this video from and which is your trouble area, your hips or thighs. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin this super easy fun workout together. The best part about these exercises is that if you are a plus size, you can actually take the help of a chair, which is so easily available. That's what I had. If you don't have a chair, you can take the help of your couch, sofa, whatever you have available. Even a wall would do. Now let's begin with the super easy exercises. enjoyed today's video. It was an easy, effective, very fun workout and an exercise regime which you can follow on a daily basis. If you have managed to do this entire exercise regime with me, then why not repeat it again? Just play the video on loop and keep doing it till you feel tired, until you can actually feel the toning and tightening of those muscles. The whole day you eat a healthy, balanced meal diet, you're sure to see better results. But if you're looking for a paid customized diet plan, then you can join my weight loss program by just clicking on the link given below in the description. I will be providing you with a doctor, dietitian and a health counselor. They will be going through your entire regime, giving you food according to your choices, your food preferences, your likes, dislikes, and keeping all your demands in mind. And of course, I'm there too. I'll see you again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.